Good day. We're Group 2 and we're going to present the topic about curriculum approaches. Curriculum practitioners and implementers may use one or more approaches in planning, implementing, and evaluating the curriculum. Even textbook writers or instructional material producers have different curricular approaches. Single subject approach focuses on one subject alone without integrating it with another subject. Interdisciplinary approach integrating two or more subjects with each other to give more knowledge to the learners and to emphasize connection of different subjects. 21st century learning focuses and use interdisciplinary approach and integrate subjects for better learning. The following are the four curriculum approaches.
Behavioral approach. This is based on a blueprint where goals and objectives are specified. Content and activities are also arranged to match with the learning objectives. The learning outcomes are evaluated in terms of goals and objectives set at the beginning. This approach started with the idea of Frederick Taylor, which is aimed to achieve efficiency in education. Behavioral approach begins with educational plans. Let's start with the setting of goals or objectives. These are the important ingredients in curriculum implementation as evaluating the learning outcomes as a change of behavior. The change of behavior indicates the measures of the accomplishment.
Managerial approach. In this approach, the principal is the curriculum leader and at the same time, the instructional leader who is supposed to be the general manager. The general manager sets the policies and priorities, establishes the direction of change and innovation and planning and organizing curriculum and instruction. School administrators are less concerned about the content and about the organization and implementation. They are less concerned about subject matter, methods, and materials that improving the curriculum. Curriculum managers look at the curriculum changes and innovations as they administer the resources and restructure the school.
Some of the roles of the curriculum supervisors are the following. A. Help develop the school's education goals. B. Plan curriculum with students, parents, teachers, and other stakeholders. C. Design programs of study by grade levels. D. Plan or schedule classes or school calendar. E. Prepares curriculum guides or teacher's guide by grade level or subject area. F. Help in the evaluation and selection of textbooks. And G. Observes teachers. And H. Assists teachers and the implementation of the curriculum. I. Encourage curriculum innovation and change. And J. Develop standards for curriculum and instructional evaluation.
System approach. In this approach, it was influenced by the system theory, where the parts of the total school district and school are examined based on how they related to each other. The organization chart of the school represent the system approach. It shows the line stop relationship between the personnel and how decisions are made in the school. So the following are the equal importance in system approach. So number 1 is the administration, number 2 is the counseling, number 3 is the curriculum, number 4 is the instruction, and lastly number 5 is the evaluation. So in system approach, it was based on the generalization that everything is interrelated and interdependent.
Humanistic approach. This approach is rooted in the progressive philosophy and child-centered movement. It considers the formal or planned curriculum and the informal or hidden curriculum. It considers the whole child and believes that in curriculum, the total development of the individual is the prime consideration. The learners is the center of the curriculum.
Thank you.